Hi and welcome back to the channel. Sorry we've not had anything of late, been so busy, and it don't help because I have a other little channel called Jinxie's Adventures, and I'm doing a little bit on that. That's more and more hobbies, my hobbies shall we say, and because we sponsor Staffordshire and District Paintball Club, or SAD as they say, I've been collared to do the videoing on that and editing, so I've got a bit behind and I do apologize. So this one's a bit of a, how do you put it, they're not video, it's a selection of pictures I did on a house, a CCTV install. Can't show you too much, of course, as you know, but it just shows you what you can do with a bit of conduit to make things look better, because so many people out there just pin it to everything and say, well, that's it, or happy you're gonna. And yeah, we fitted, what did we fit? Hold on a second. We fitted some of these. So the ColorVu cameras, this was a faulty one, I've got to go back, and they don't do, would you believe, so I fitted these a month ago, okay, and now they don't do them anymore, would you believe. They do the new hybrid system. So I don't know if you've seen or any of the videos of late about the new hybrid system. So basically it can, if you put them all on auto, it works on it records on infrared if you've got it on continuous, and when it does pick something up, the floodlight kicks in and gives that color view, you know, you want. I think it's a bloody great idea. I have so many customers saying, I don't like that floodlight on all night, and it you know, but now they've managed to solve it. So that's going in a couple of days, the new hybrid system, when I pick it up tomorrow. So here's a selection of little pictures of my work, kind of thing, what you can do, and I'll come back to you after it. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. It's not much, I must admit, but it's, you know, it's something. I've got to get my head back into the game. I'm a bit behind of late, but yeah, there is some stuff coming, and hopefully we'll get some more work that I can show you. I've put out some shorts of late, so have a look at those. They're usually a bit of good fun and a bit of a giggle. But until next time, don't do anything I wouldn't. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.